Doing your edges is just a work of art. You will need a toothbrush or an edge brush, whatever you want to use for your edges. I prefer using an old toothbrush. I've explained why. A cream or an oil, a hard edge control. I used hair wax, the green one, gel, hair gel. I used the red Eco Styler one. So we'll start off by just putting a little bit of cream on our edges. Just very little, you don't want to put too much. I used to doing my edges with like cornrows or box braids. I'm not really used to this side part stuff, but we'll still get into it. Anyway, you take out your baby hairs. It's one thing to know how to do your edges, but making your edges last a long time, that's where the tricky part is. And that's what I'm going to show you. There we go. I'll go in with my edge control. I'll go in with my hair gel. Doing your edges is just a work of art. It's just a way of expressing yourself, you know? Like, there's no right or wrong way to do it. There is a wrong way to do it. Well, I'm talking about like laying them. I don't think there's a right or wrong way. You know? Some people may not like the way you do yours, but that's okay. We're not doing it for them. You're doing it for you, babes. You put more on. I put more on this side because my hair is thicker here on my sideburn area, so it will lay and so. Now, me personally, you can follow the parts your hair is being parted, but I just, like I said, it's a work of art. I like to start my hair, my edges like this. Then I'll swoop like this. I do my edges practically the same way every single time. I haven't found like a new way to do them other than the swooping method. Then this is where your hard gel comes in. This flakes, but if you use the Eco Styler before using it, it won't flake. So use this just to hold it in place, because I do have 4C hair, and you know the curls just be curling anytime they want to curl, so that'll just tame them. You see that? Do you see that? I did that. So you might want to go over it a couple times till you're satisfied, and then the excess you just like tuck it in. Then you go here, you swoop, swoop, swoop. And that's it. I like doing this side before I go and do this side, because this side is easier to do than this side. I really don't know why. To me, I've not really been a fan of adult hairs, like hairs that go down to your eyebrow. I've not really been a fan of that. I just feel like it's unnatural. I like people to see my baby hairs and think like, oh my gosh, she was born with that. Like, not like, oh my gosh, you did that so good, you know? Then lastly, this part sometimes I do it down. I don't know how to explain it, but usually I just swoop it like the rest. I always put some on my finger, the hard gel, so that when this is how I hold my brush. So I do it like that. I swoop like this. Then I apply the hard gel. The way I do it down, I just do it like this and then curve it like this. This is how I do mine down. But I don't know, you can do it like this if you want, but I just like to sweep it behind my ear. So that's what I'm going to do. Now we're done with that, you use your scarf and then you tie it down. This is actually what makes it like stay all day, tying down your edges. I tie it really tight and then I press it like this. Then I don't use heat. Usually I just, you know, dress up. I just dress up. Then once I'm done dressing up, I take it off. So now it's time for the reveal. Oh, see, sticking to the scarf. You have to be gentle so that your edges don't lift. Oh. This is basically how I do my edges all the freaking time. Like, I haven't found a different way to do them. Like I said, they always look better with like slick backs, like all back, or what's it called, or knotless braids or stuff like that. But this is so good. This is so good. I can do like other designs, but this is just my go-to sleek edges, whatever. Now, if you don't know how to slick back your 4C hair, like you can't slick it back into a ponytail, watch this video right now. Just watch it. I'm helping you without you knowing that I'm helping you. Like, just watch it right now.